1 ml tech-grade acetone and 0.36 ml benzaldehyde were added to a 50 ml Erlenmeyer flask using a 1 ml syringe. As the mixture was stirred with a stir bar, 10 ml ethanolic NaOH was added. The reaction was stirred for about 30 minutes as yellow solids began to precipitate. After 30 minutes, the reaction was stopped and the crude product was ready for vacuum filtration. To pre-set up vacuum filtration, first attach the filtering flask to a clamp. Make sure everything is stable. Then attach a vacuum tube connecting the flask to the vacuum nozzle on the fume hood and place a Buchner funnel on top. A filter paper was placed in the Buchner funnel and was wetted with some DI water. The vacuum was turned on and the crude product was collected on the filter paper. Some ethanol was used to assist transferring of the solids. The filtrate was discarded in waste container. The solids were then washed twice with 15 ml saturated sodium bicarbonate since the filtrate was still basic after the first wash. The crude were left on the funnel with vacuum pulling to dry off for a few minutes, then transferred to a 25 ml Erlenmeyer flask for recrystallization. 30 ml of 95% ethanol was brought to boiling, then was added incrementally to the Erlenmeyer flask, which was being heated at the same time. A minimal amount of solvent must be added to completely dissolve the crude product in order to improve yield. Once all solids dissolved, the flask was allowed to cool gradually on the bench top. After about an hour, the pure product was collected through vacuum filtration and stored in a glass vial.